One of the many advantages of migrating your Windows and Linux virtual machines to Azure is that you can seamlessly back up your VMs to help protect against the threat of ransomware. In this demo, we'll show you how simple it is to use Azure Backup for your Windows Server VMs in Azure. To back up an Azure native Windows Server, the process is simple and seamless. Open the Windows Server in the Azure portal. Navigate to the Backup and Disaster Recovery section. Under Backup, you will have the option to select the Recovery Services Vault where you want to store your backup data. With Azure Recovery Services Vault, you gain additional security and governance features like immutability, soft delete, multi-user authorization, which will strengthen your backup security posture. After selecting the vault, you can define a backup policy that specifies the schedule and retention settings. Here, the enhanced policy is selected, allowing configuration of snapshot retention duration and consistency settings. You can then select the required disks for backup and enable backup in just a few simple steps. Incremental backups will be created automatically as per the defined policy. Once the backup is configured, you can monitor and manage it directly through the Azure portal. Let us look at another VM where backups were configured with all the security settings. With Azure Recovery Services Vault, you gain additional cyber resiliency features like default recoverability with Vault Soft Delete, retaining backup data for 14 days, ransomware protection for backup data and critical operations using immutability and multi-user authorization, centralized governance and monitoring through Azure native alerts, reports, and policies, ransomware detection in backup data by enabling Azure Backup Threat Detection powered by Microsoft Defender for Cloud. As we navigate to the Vault properties, we can see that immutability and multi-user authorization have been enabled, and the Vault reflects an excellent security level. Threat detection is also active on this Vault. By opening a backup item and viewing its recovery points, you can check the threat detection status for each backup. Based on signals reported by Microsoft Defender for Cloud, recovery points are classified as either no threats reported or suspicious. In this example Vault, we have two Windows servers. One is healthy, with no threats reported. The other contains malware and therefore shows suspicious recovery points. Opening the Details view allows you to see the specific alerts that led to the classification of an RP as suspicious. This visibility enables you to make informed recovery decisions, ensuring that you restore from clean, verified recovery points and avoid reintroducing compromised data.